ngifuna ukuletha into ezobashokha abantu ukuthi for about 400 years isizwe sikaIsrael besingakukhipha kweshumi. Umbuzo uthi yini isizwe sikaIsrael singakhipha kweshumi? One babe yabona nje ngekathi behamba 40 years ehlane kwiExodus babe ngakafiki kwiland. That's why uNkulunkulu engaba demand ukuthi bakhiphe kweshumi. Abakafiki kwiland. So where are they gonna tithe? Because wayidinga okweshumi from the land. Nakhona mabefika kuleyo land leyo uyalile kuLeviticus ukuthi abawushiya umhlaba 3 years bengawuthinti ngoba bayawusoka babe usoka umhlaba bewudedicate abayenza ube ngcwele kuAdonai. Then enyakeni wesithathu bese bayaqala bayatshala ila khona bezoqala khona baletha okweshumi from the land. So number 2 iTemple lalingakakhiwa. Uyakhumbula ukuthi for 400 years iTabernacle lahlala eShilo until iTemple lakhiwa ubani? Until iTemple lakhiwa uSolomon. Hawu ngiyakuthanda ngoba uyalifunda iBhayibheli. 1919 BC uSolomon ila khona eqala khona ukwakha iTemple. So lingakakhiwa iTemple babe ngatithe. No abapriest babe khona because lezi zinto ezintathu kufanele zonke zibe khona. Umhlaba, iTemple, abalevi. And it's interesting ukuthi uIsrael edingiswa njengoba wadingiswa kuJeremiah njengoba uJeremiah prophet ukuthi bazodingiswa 70 years bama ukhipho kweshumi kwabo. uHosea uyabatshela ukuthi ngiyanqabula amasabatha enu. They stopped giving their tithe. Why? Babengasekho in the land. Babengasekho iTemple la destroy. So tithe ceased.